Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Mkhulisi Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-captain noma ngithi former captain e-Kaizer Chiefs u-Yusuf Marti bekhuluma ne-media yalaphana ethimini yakhe laphana e-Austria. Uncoma nje indawo ahlala kuyo noma idolobha ahlala kulo, uthi lihle kakhulu, li-peaceful, uthi nabantu ba-warm laphana. Uthi ukhulume nangokudla ukuthi hhayi, kodwa ukudla-ke kusho ukuthi okwase-South Africa noma kwase-Cape Town ku-taste-a better ku-taste-a better noma kungcono. Uthi laphana uyedwa but-ke kune-player bafethu sikhumbule ukuthi u-Anthony ukhona laphana iplayer lase-South Africa badlala ethimini eyodwa but uyasho ukuthi abahlali akuna-distance enkulu between bona bobawu-two. Uthi nje ubonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukwazile ukumthatha ukuthi ayodlala laphana e-Europe. Uthi le move lena nje ukuthi aye-Europe beyi-good kakhulu for yena. Hhayi ukhathele umsindo ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Hayi bezimkhalela hhayi. Yabona if khona umuntu be-attack-wa laphana ethimini wuye. This week bayam-celebrate, next week bayam-attack-a. Hhayi yabona bebam-attack-a lo muntu ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs are-divided ngaye. Amanye bewathi u-right, abanye bewathi uyavilapha, bekusho nje everything. But what I like ukuthi indaba yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs iphele kahle kakhulu bafowethu. Ekugcineni last game yakhe u-Kaizer Chiefs ukore against i-Orlando Pirates ku-derby, washaya igoli lokugcina elibanika i-Nedbank Cup. So I mean, this thing was written in the stars ukuthi vele impilo yakhe yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs kuyohamba kuhambe kuphele kanje, kuphele kahle kakhulu. Ukwazile ukuyivala i-chapter yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs kahle. Asazi ukuthi maybe ngelinye ilanga bafethu uyobuya e-South Africa adlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs or kanjani uzobuyela ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but I don't think so. But-ke if uyabuya e-South Africa lese unabo uma-33, 4 Sekhukhune United singamthatha. Why? Because vele besimfuna iSekhukhune United. Because i-contract yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs beyingaka-renew-wa and then iSekhukhune United bebabonisa i-interest ukuthi hhayi bayamfuna umfana ukuthi bambuyise laphana kuSekhukhune United. But-ke bekusaselezo ngxoxo nje ukuthi bayakhuluma babone ukuthi bazokhuluma baze bafikisane kuphi. But yeah, it was a journey for yena ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, the biggest team in the country in terms of ibhazi. But at the same time bokuyi-struggle because of mentally you gotta be mentally strong ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Bayakuthanda namhlanje, kusasa bayakujikela noma bayaku-attack. Usukune but khona ama-player vele khona iplayer elingenzanga lutho, khona engimbonile engibona i-comment yakhe athi uMahlo ayikho into ake ayenza ku-Kaizer Chiefs, une-bad whatever. Kuyenzeka-ke ukuthi ama-player or ama-fans angakuzwa nje kahle. Kuyenzeka-ke ukuthi ugeje njengoSolomonzi but-ke ama-player awak-attack-i kakhulu. Bheka uSolomonzi abama-attack abantu, bonke abantu nje you know ba-right, abekho abam-attack-i ngaleyo ndlela. Asimuveni bafethu siye njengoba akorile laphana ubani player leMamelodi Sundowns or leli bedlala leMamelodi Sundowns, uLucas Ribeiro, yes, ukwazile ukukora i-winning goal. Sebaqalile-ke bayamncoma eSpain bafethu ukuthi uyi-player important kangakanani laphana ethimini. Imagine bafethu, kuthiwa nje wonke amabhola awabambayo, wonke umuntu uvula amehlo, kusho ukuthi nje makalibamba bayakwazi ukusukuma nasemasithini. Ukhuluma nange-play before ashaya igoli elihle, ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu leli elibawinise 1-0. Bakhuluma ngokuthi technical u-gifted kakhulu futhi-ke u-matured. But-ke ya uthi wonke umuntu unama-strength wakhe, kusho i-coach yakhe or unama-advantages wakhe whatever. Ya uNkulunkulu umuphe le gift lokuthi abe technical and obviously i-physique yakhe uyambona ukuthi ufithi, more explosive futhi meya laphana phambili. Yeah. So uthi ucoach wakhe bazozama ukuthi basebenzise lezi zinto lezi ama-advantages wakhe anawo laphana. Kuthiwa uyi-player ngempela ehluke kakhulu, uletha something different laphana ethimini, which is good for yena umfowethu laphana one-personal scale ukuthi cause abantu besebaqala ukuthi uhambile kuMamelodi Sundowns uzowa le phesheya guess uLucas Ribeiro simbonile bafethu. Inkinga imali esishebo loya muntu loyo, inkinga le serious. Yabona uma udlala against yena uyazi ukuthi ubhekane ne-problem enkulu bafethu. So akukho lula ukudlala against la muntu loyo, akukho. Ama-players o-P_S_L azosho ukuthi-ke obviously-ke sometimes ama-player balikhuluma iqiniso but hey, inkinga imali esishebo loya muntu loyo. Then this move to ezinye bafethu, because I saw something laphana online, Thapelo Morena. What a player, yabona khona ama-player owakhohlwayo noma let's say noma ucabanga iMamelodi Sundowns akafiki nokufika engqondweni uThapelo Morena. What a player bafethu. ngike ngakhuluma ngaye a few months back ngithi the first time ngambona laphana ku-Bloemfontein Celtic. Guess what, ku-Bloemfontein Celtic edlala phambili, ngiyakhumbula eyi-striker kuwuye yedwa olwa nama-defenders, but-ke Mamelodi Sundowns bamconvert-a bambeka kwamanye ama-position. Ufike wenzani kuMamelodi Sundowns? Uyi-star, uyi-star nakhona ukhava kuma-different wonke ama-position, ayikho i-position angakwazi ukuyidlala egrawundini. Umbeka naku-goalkeeper, uyakwazi nokuvimba. Ngikhumbula u-goalkeeper bamshaya nge-red card, ukhona uyavimba, ayikho i-position angakwazi. Yibo-ke labantu laba bathi methi umuntu ufuna umsebenzi bathi ungakwazi ukwenza everything, athi ya uyaziprove umfethu ukuthi ayikho into angakwazi ukuyenza as long as egrawundini, mfake egrawundini uThapelo Morena, uzombona uzokuperformela. He won't let you down. He will make sure that he will perform to his best ability. Nawe uzoba impressed nawe uma umbheka umfana. So ezinye engiyibona lapha neziripoti eSoccer Beat bafethu ukuthi uBandile Shandu kuthiwa uzohlala ne-Orlando Pirates, kukhulunywe nge-future yakhe bafethu, ukuthi is keepable ma-what, cause if this season usadlala ama-matches awu-2 nje kuphela, i-contract yakhe yaphela futhi ngoJune 2026. Maybe bangakhatha i-contract yakhe ngoJanuwari, a-decide ukuthi aye kwenye ithimu, uzohlala alwele laphana isikhala sakhe ku-Orlando Pirates. But I think ungahamba early mfethu, like mawuthola i-opportunity ukuthi hamba early, uhambe abantu bangakakhohlwa kakhulu, yabo, cause unangakho uzoba na-31 ngoJanuwari, uShandu January una-31. So yabona ukuthi iminyaka iyahamba. So kusho ukuthi if uzohlala ku-Orlando Pirates iziphela isizini, ama-teams amanye azomthola na-31 sekayokwenza 32, uzosayinwa yiphi i-team futhi nalapho. So iposition yakhe ngeke na-Orlando Pirates bafethu akadlali iposition yakhe, to be honest akadlali iposition yakhe. Isikhathi esiningi bamdlalisa i-right back, isikhathi esiningi or bamdlalise lapha nemuva, uyi-midfielder iposition yakhe. So i-strength sakhe akusukumaka labantu laba bane-pace kakhulu, isikhathi esiningi unamaphutha wakhe. But-ke ku-Orlando Pirates they wanted to convert him noma adlale le position le bona abafuna ukuthi ayidlale. Unfortunately-ke izinto azimahambeli kahle kuleya position le. So kwaba ne-contract extension between yena ne-Orlando Pirates 2024 le ephela 2026 ngoJuni. Kubonakala ngathi Orlando Pirates ayinaplani lokuthi renew i-contract yakhe. Banama-player amaningi kakhulu bafethu, even kuma-different positions kuyaliwa. So uShandu ngathi i-future yakhe ku-Orlando Pirates ayikho bafowethu, ayikho ngempela. Kunzima. And nanokuthi I think into eshayayo kakhulu ukuthi abazi ukuthi bazomdlalisa kiphi iposition. I-versatility yakhe ayimsebenzeli that much. But-ke to be honest, Orlando Pirates edlala amagame amaningi kakhulu, 110 games bafethu, una-11 goals plus 5 assists, and isikhathi esiningi out of position kule position le ayidlalayo. So udlalile ku-Orlando Pirates, to be fair. And-ke bamthathe laphana kuma-Rispec United la adlale khona ama-matches ayi-162. He was highly influential kuma-Rispec United bafethu, bakwazi ukumsayina laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Teboho Mokoena, iplayer le-Mamelodi Sundowns, umfethu ukhulumile about i-yellow card noma ama-yellow card lawa ama-yellow card ambalwa cishe akhosti Bafana ukuthi inga-qualify for World Cup, nanokuthi im-affecte kanjani. Uthi bekunzima kakhulu for yena nomndeni wakhe bafethu, uthi especially umama, ukuthi ngoba sometimes umama wakhe bekamfonela laphana bathi ingane yakhe iyadlisa, isikhostile laphana. So yena-ke bebuze nomama wakhe ethi why bekangazi ukuthi bekanama-yellow card ukuthi angadlali. So uthi-ke kuyena njengoba yenzekile lento le, noma beyenzeka, abanye abantu bebajoka nokujoka ngayo. So uthi-ke imshaye kakhulu bafethu, noma im-affecte kakhulu because of beyacabanga ukuthi hayi social media nje kuphela abantu abanandaba. But-ke uthi beyenzeka nakwe face to face, kusho ukuthi abantu mebehlangana naye bakhulume ngayo. So uthi into beyimenza acabange kakhulu ukuthi i-South Africa noma Bafana ingane there's a chance ukuthi ingayi ku-World Cup ngenxa yakhe. Uthi nje bekazi ukuthi lento lena uyozisola impilo yakhe yonke. Uthi bekangazi nokwazi nokuthi unalama-yellow card lawa. Uthi nje into beyingamphathi kahle. Uthi-ke kwehlike umthwalo bafethu emahlombe kuye bafethu, because of ube-relieved ukuthi ba-qualifyile. Uthi beyangekho happy, just nje beka-relieved ukuthi ba-qualifyile. Uthi bekunzima kakhulu, uthi ley'nyanga lezi bezinzima kakhulu uthi bekangasuye uTebogo Mokoena lo esimaziyo esimjwayele, uthi ekhaya even naku-training bekungasuye uTebogo Mokoena lo esimjwayele bafowethu, but uthi bezama and uthi bezama kakhulu. Uthi-ke beblema noma bezisola kakhulu ngale nto le eyenzekile kuBafana Bafana. Uthi ukhulumile no-coach, u-coach wamutshela ukuthi no, ungaziblame wena, you don't have to point fingers, izinto ezinjalo. Uthi sonke si-involve ya kusho ukuthi bekuyi-stress kakhulu bafowethu for umfowethu ukuthi angakwazi. I can imagine bafowethu because South Africa ngabe iqualify kudala ku-World Cup, ngabe maybe ithe mayiqeda ukudlala ne-Nigeria waba confirmed, ngoba izinto besezisheyikhi-ke manje bafowethu. They could not even beat iZimbabwe, they could not bury their opportunities. Ngabe indaba ye-South Africa ne-World Cup ibe-confirmed earlier on bafowethu, but-ke ayi bekuyindaba enzima kakhulu. It was gonna be into ekuma-history books ku-South African football because I mean cabanga ugeja i-World Cup, awuqualify ku-World Cup ngendaba nje yokuthi ama-yellow card, abantu abenzanga umsebenzi wabo, nama-player nezi-player nazo azange a-calculate ama-player ama-yellow card wakhe, to be honest, cause ezinye izinto khona abantu ababhekile lezo zinto lezo, but now you have to be aware ukuthi okay kuma-yellow card awu-4 elikini mawudlala ama-match, for example like sengenze i-example ngama-matches waselikini, uyazi wena iziplayer makuma-yellow card awu-3 ukuthi hayi this game akumelanga ngenze iphutha, ngoba ngenza iphutha ngizothola 4 kuzoba yellow card number 4 and bangisuspende ku-next game, and i-next game ibaluleke kakhulu, inkulu kakhulu, yabo. So kumele uzi-track-e nawe eziplayer, to be honest bafowethu. Le nto le beyisho uHugo Broos ukuthi akekho umuntu osephutheni, no, iplayer lisephutheni, isafi isephutheni, khona-ke umuntu osebenza ukubheka zonke lezi zinto lezi. Kuthiwa wayothela ama-ice umuntu wakhona, noma kuthiwa wayothela ama-ice after igame, kanti akabheki ukuthi usibanibani uthole i-yellow card athike, usibanibani udlale kanje. Izinto like ezisimple bayahluleka ukuzenza. Imagine cishe kwaba yinkinga bafethu e-serious, yabona le bekuzoba yinkinga e-serious ebesiyokhuluma ngayo for the next I don't know how many years, iminyaka, ama-decades and decades, ukuthi ngabe i-South Africa yaqualify for World Cup, but because bekuyohlezi kunaleyo nto leyo, yothi uMokoena noma sayiyikhehla khunjuza ukuthi phela wena awuzange ubheke iy'nto zakho, wasikhosta kabi, cause nginokubona amanye ama-moments even to this day bafowethu, khona izinto enginokubona abantu like say abantu abadala babukela i-FIFA World Cup lesi 2002 ne, bakhuluma ngezinto za-2002 ukuthi usibanibani azange aselect ubani, ngoba usibanibani kwenzakala kanje nakanje, nango-98 kwalethwa ubani, kuhlezi kukhulunywa ngalezo zinto lezo. Imagine like bagcina ukuqualify 2002 for i-World Cup, 2002 direct i-World Cup. Lebo kuyi-opportunity enkulu ukuthi baqualify only for them ukuthi bangaqualify ngendaba yama-yellow card, but sithemba ukuthi umfana manje he will let go ukuthi bakwazile ukuqualify out of yonke le mess le bebakuyo bafowethu, cause izinto zabo bezihamba kahle kakhulu for iBafana Bafana. But cishe Nigeria nayo isizile yashaya iBenin bafowethu, ngoba cishe kwaba yinkinga. But yeah, again, congratulations to Bafana Bafana ngokuqualify ku-FIFA World Cup. Masingakhuluma nje ngama-standout players laphana kuBafana Bafana, ama-players sizile. What I like ukuthi there's no standout style, like abantu abaningi ba-contribute-ile throughout. ORiele Mofokeng bakorile, u-Adams naye there was a time ekhona, noBasadeni phela le nto baqualify iminyaka ngeminyaka beloke bedlala. Ama-defenders maningi ashintshiwe laphana or bekhona contribute-ile, oThabiso Munyane badlalile from i-Kaizer Chiefs, like maningi ama-player afikile, noma abanye badlala isikhathi esincane, abanye badlala isikhathi eside, but bakhona bafikile ba-contributor when they were needed ukuthi ba-contribute for some time. And then-ke thola ukuthi umuntu ubizwa kanye udlala igame eyodwa aphinde angadlala, but-ke bekuwa i-pool of ama-player, I think 50 plus bafowethu ama-player a-contribute-ile noma-ke waselect-wa through le process leyo ye-World Cup. So yeah, what a journey bafowethu, what a journey. Abaye-United States abafana, Ronwen Williams captain yabo, but for me the best player for iBafana Bafana ubani? Khuliso Mudau. That guy is powerful. No mistake, Mr. Perfect. Mr. Perfect. Everything ilula nje kuKhuliso Mudau. Njengoba ngikhuluma, that is why ngiyompraise uKhuliso Mudau every week. Every performance yakhe like i-master class. Uyasifundisa lapha uKhuliso Mudau ukuthi yazini kuyadlalwa la and kuyaliwa. Okunye engifuna ukukhava le team, khona i-team abayisuspendile bafethu. Yes, i-Golden Arrows bayisuspendile, i-FIFA bafethu bayisendile incwadi ukuthi bayisuspenda, bayayibhena, sengithi bayisuspend, bayibhenile ukuthi ngeke isakwazi ukusayina ama-player noma ukurejista ama-player amasha. Why? Because of bakhansela i-contract kalona bafethu ubani uMuthizwa, uKnox Muthizwa bavele bayikhansela i-contract, zange bamnike lutho. So kusho ukuthi umfana uthathe icala laphana walisa ku-FIFA. FIFA-ke ithe for 3 windows ngeke bakwazi ukusayina ama-players, meaning ngoJanuwari ngeke bakwazi ukusayina ama-player, ngoJuni whatever ngeke bakwazi ukusayina ama-player, even na 2026 January ngeke bakwazi ukusayina ama-player until bakhiphe imali kamfowethu, bamnike yonke imali yakhe iphelele le abamkweleta yona ku-contract. Because bona bathi bamxoshele or bakhansele i-contract yakhe ngokuthi ama-performance wakhe bewangekho right. Hawu, umuntu operforme kanje for i-Golden Arrows bafethu ayilwela every match, bowazi ukuthi uzolwa laphana ku-Golden Arrows only for them ukuthi bamtreat kanje. Abantu uyabona lento kuthiwa abantu abanadanki ngempela. Lo muntu lo one of the top goal scorers in history of i-club, if not the top goal scorer in history of leya club le. Ubalwele indaba into serious bafethu, hayi lokho okudlala, ubalwele serious. But-ke bamhambisa njengenja. Hayi ezinye izinto bafethu hayi zibuhlungu. Yabona ibhola, that is why ibhola lase-South Africa liranwa ngathi angi-understand mina. Barana ibhola ngathi alikho professional, bathi li-professional on paper nje kuphela. Ngihlezi ngike ngayisho futhi lento ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi ibhola lase-South Africa li-professional on paper, because if belingekho professional on paper ibhola lase-South Africa bafethu, ngabe izinto ezikanje ziba covered, ngabe izinto ezikanje like asizizwa bafethu. Njalo indaba yokuthi bazovele une-contract ne-team bayikhansele bathi fuck off kanjalo nje phela, kusho ukuthi basho kanjalo, bavele bathi hamba, kanti uzoya ku-FIFA umfana. Bamkweleta malini, thola ukuthi nje bamkweleta i-contract ya-2 years, kumele bamkhokhele yonke plus ne-fine yaku-FIFA maybe ihamba na-15%, thola ukuthi bamkweleta i-2 million, so kumele bamkhiphele boma let's say boma 2.1 million manje or 2 whatever. Asazi ukuthi bamkweleta malini, i-contract yakhe bekusele ngakanani. Sithemba ukuthi bekusele boma 2 years kumfana ahola more than 100,000. Lapho basenkingeni-ke bayokhala. Ngapha unomsebenzi futhi, hayi uwinile umfana, ngapha ku-Richards Bay uyaqhubeka, ku-Richards Bay uyadlala. Leza ku-P_S_L zinjalo bafethu, hayi ziyakhala ku-P_S_L ngathi bakwenzela i-favor, bayazi ukuthi u-desperate vele, so bazokucindezela uthi bakucindezele. Ayikho le ndaba yalabantu laba ku-P_S_L, phela bahluphana nabantu. Abantu basacrifice iy'mpilo zabo ukuthi badlale i-professional football only for ama-team abatreat-e ngathi yidwedwe. Bangayenzi lento lena bafethu, akusiyo into e-right. Amanye ama-reports aphumayo ukuthi ulona ubani, uBenny Ntwari or ubani, ngizosikhumbula isibongo sakhe, wadlala i-Orlando Pirates, ukuthi kajoyine nayo i-Orbit College but kuthiwa uzojoyina ngoJanuwari. It's not allowed ukuthi ajoyine manje or uzoqala ukudlala January because of ngeke i-transfer market ivaliwe, ngeke nge-space se-transfer market eyodwa ingakavulwa le ezayo adlale manje. Ngathi umthetho kanjalo ne, cause khona nalo mthetho lo. Ngikhumbula bathathela i-Ajax Cape Town bafitha ama-point ngokuthi badlalise uNdoro, and then umthetho awuvumi ukuthi umuntu ngathi adlalela ama-team awu-3 ngesizini eyodwa, izinto ezinjalo bona bamdlalisa ngenkani. Hambile-ke ama-point, barelegatwa kanjalo nabo. But sithembe ukuthi i-Golden Arrows izokwazi ukusettler le mali lena, bakwazi nabo ukubhekana ney'nkinga zabo nanokuthi basayine ama-player because of i-team man idinga ukudlala, and then uma nqoba mnqithe as u-coach udinga ama-player awasayine, ama-player like afike ethimini, izinto ezinjalo, akwazi ukuthi okay i-department so ufuna ukuyilungisa, and then ikwazi ukufika ama-player bafethu. But-ke without ukwazi ukusayina ama-player, kusho ukuthi phela indaba yabo ayikho. They have to be able to sign ama-player ukuthi bakwazi ukukhompyutha, otherwise bazokhompyutha kanjani? Ngeke bakwazi ukukhompyutha bafethu. But let's zama sibheke ezinye. Yazi indaba yaThembi Nkosi-Lodge angisafuni nokuyikhuluma mina, ayithi indaba yaThembi Nkosi-Lodge, ayikho lento leyo. Ayikho ngempela bafethu. ayikho le ndaba e-serious, indaba yakhe nelona elokhunjani neBafana Bafana. Asiyeni kuStellenbosch bafethu. iStellenbosch ngathi bafuna ukukhesha in ukuthi bathengise ama-player ambalwa because of bayabona ukuthi basenkingeni. So i-Orlando Pirates ifuna i-striker se-Stellenbosch, ubani uDe Jong or ubani lo mlungu lo wakhona bafethu. I-deal yakhona yakolapsa ngama-last minute, but kuthiwa i-Orlando Pirates izobuya ngoJanuwari izame futhi ukumsayina umfana. So kuzolala kuStellenbosch ukuthi bayi-reject i-Orlando Pirates again na, cause siyazi ukuthi ilokhu bayamfuna and then bafuna ukuba ne-striker abazi ukuthi ezi-versatile esikwaziyo ukushaya amagoli. Why ku-important for i-Orlando Pirates ukuba ne-striker ezikwazi ukushaya amagoli? Because of amagoli e-Orlando Pirates isikhathi esiningi aphuma kuma-wing bafethu. I-contribution enkulu iphuma kuma-wing, bayawa-create ama-opportunities as Orlando Pirates, but they are not able to bury those chances noma bawashaye phakathi lawo ma-chances lawo. So badinga laphana phambili umuntu ozokwazi ngempela ukubashayela amagoli, and then akekho umuntu o-better than uDe Jong. I mean, kuStellenbosch uziprovile ukuthi is one of the best players laphana ethimini nje kuStellenbosch, right? So why not ukuthi athole ithime enkulu? Mengathola ithime enkulu efana efana ne-Orlando Pirates, uzothola ama-opportunities amaningi ukuthi ahlale nje laphana lese phambili noma a-drop back, cause uyakwazi ukudropa ngathi abe yi-false number 9 and uyakwazi ukuprotect ibhola kahle kakhulu. So naye anga-add something formidable or something e-right for i-Orlando Pirates, akwazi ukucontribute kakhulu. Yeah man, it's a journey and a half ukudlalela ithime enkulu, cause ama-opportunities uzowathola, but kuzoya ngawe ukuthi uzowathatha na lawo ma-opportunities ozowathola. Ngizovala ngoFoster bafethu odlala laphana e-England. Ngiyazi ukuthi eza ku-PSL but eza ama-players e-South Africa. Foster udlala laphana e-England, uthe kumele ayidlale laphana i-AFCON. Sikhumbule ukuthi wachomela iBafana Bafana lokuqanjwa amanga last time, thulimele or wenzani wayichomela, but this time around ukhona ubuyile. But into embuyisa kakhulu ukuthi kune-World Cup bafethu, kune-World Cup. Without i-World Cup asazi ukuthi bekuzokwenzakalani ngempela, cause i-World Cup uyafuna ukuyoyidlala and baqualifyile for i-World Cup. Cela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure bafethu ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Sesiseduze vele.